Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back class 7th in your online mathematics class. Today I am going to start a new chapter, special products and identities. So here you can see that these are some identities. These identities help us to do to make these identities make our calculation easy. If we want to multiply the larger numbers by using these identities, they make our calculation easier. So here you can see these are the identities. First is x plus a x plus b, which is equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Second is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Third, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Fourth, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So learn all these identities by heart. Okay, let's start with the exercise. I'm going to show you the use of each identities. Okay. This is exercise 27a and this is question number 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. So here in this question, which identity we use first identity that is x plus a, x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. We use this identity here. When we use this identity here, you can see that here is x, here is x, and in this identity also here is x and here is x. So this is a and this is b, right? When you compare this and this, what we do here, we can find out the value from here, that the value of a here is 2 on comparison, and here the value of b is 3. So we are going to use these values in this identity. So it means, we write here using identity. Okay, and we write the value also. A is equals to 2, b is equals to 3. So here we get x plus 2, x plus 3 is equals to x square. Now here we put the value of a and b, right? So the value of a is 2 and b is 3. And ab means a multiplied by b. So a is 2 and b is 3. From here we get x square plus 5x plus 6. This is our required answer. Now see this question. Here is x, here is x, right? And this is 15 and this is minus 6. So again we'll use this identity here. Using identity x plus a, x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Now what is the value of a here? As you compare this, the value you get here 15, and the value of b here, see the value of b is minus 6 because this is plus b, right? So the value of b here is minus 6. Now we put these values in this identity. So here we get x plus 15 and here we get x plus minus minus, so here we get x minus 6. Okay, now x square plus a, the value of a is 15, then plus, and the value of b is minus 6, right? Now we close the bracket and a. Now ab means 15 multiplied by minus 6. Now x square plus 15 plus minus minus 6 x minus, here you get 90, then x square, here you get 9 plus 9x minus 90. 15 minus 6, 9. This is our required answer. Now see this one. X minus 11, x minus 6. So here using identity, Which identity we use? We use that same identity, because here is x, here is x. This is a and this is b. So we use x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Students, you have to do like this. As I am doing here, you have to do like this in your copies. Now the value of a here is minus 11, right? And the value of b here is minus 6. Now we write here x minus 11 and x minus 6 is equals to, here we put the value of a and b. So x square plus, the value of a is minus 11. So this is minus 11, and then plus the value of b is minus 6. Then bracket close. X, a multiplied by b means minus 11 multiplied by minus 6. Now x square plus minus 11 plus minus minus 6 x plus, here you get minus 60, plus 66. Now x square, here you get minus 17x, then plus plus plus, so plus 66. Now x square plus minus minus 17x plus 66. Understood? Now see this one. Here again, using identity x plus a, x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now the value of a here, a is equals to 1 upon 5 and b is equals to 5. Now we put these values here. Here we get x plus 1 upon 5. X plus 5 is equals to x square plus 1 upon 5 plus 5 x plus 1 upon 5 multiplied by 5. Now here we add the fractions, we take the LCM. So here we get this, and 5 cancel out, so here we get 1. Here we get 25, right? This is 5 by 1. Now x square plus 26x by 5 plus 1. This is exercise 27b and this is question number 1. Find the product x plus 4, x plus 4. This is our question. So see here, we can write this x plus 4 to the power 2. Because x plus 4 here is 2 times, right? So we can write it like this also. Now if you compare here you get a is equals to x and b is equals to 4. So do you remember the second identity? That is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So on comparison here, a plus b whole square, see here, a plus b whole square. Understood? So here we can use this identity. So in using identity, here you write using identity a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the value of a here is x, so it means x square plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b plus b square. So now here we get 8x plus 16. This is our answer. So when we see the question from here, we can write this like here x plus 4 to the power whole square, x plus 4 whole square. It means which identity we have to use? We have to use a plus b whole square. See this one. Here we get 9m minus 1 upon 3n, 9m minus 1 upon 3n. So here we can write it like this. Right? Now here you can see that which identity we can use here. This is a minus b whole square, right? So here using identity a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And what are the values of a here? The value of a is, yes, 9m, and the value of b is 1 upon 3n. Right? Compare it this, see, this is the value of a, then minus, then this is the value of b. Right? Now we put these values in this identity. So here we get 9m minus 1 upon 3n whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Got it? Now 9m square means 9 9s are 81 m square. Then here 3 1 times, 3 3 times. So here get 6 m multiplied by n, m n. Right? Now here 1 upon 3 n whole square. What does it mean? That it is multiplying 2 times. See here. 1 upon 3 n multiplied by 1 upon 3 n. Right? It means 1 1s are 1. 3 3s are 9. And n multiplied by n square. Clear? So this is our required answer. Look at this question over here. Find out the square of the following. We have to find out the square of this equation. So 3x plus 1 upon 3x whole square. Okay? Now which identity we are going to use here? A plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here write using identity. And the value of a here, the value of a is 3x and value of b is 1 upon 3x. So here we put the value. Here we get 3x plus 1 upon 3x whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 3x whole square means 9x square. 3x cancel out. Here you get 2 and here you get 1 upon 9x square. So this is your answer. Now look at this question. Here you have to find out the square. So again we write it like this. 1 upon 2 q to the power 6 whole square. Now using identity. Which identity? A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a is 1 upon 5 b square. See, this is a and this is b. And b is 1 upon 2 q to the power 6. Now use this identity. 1 upon 5 p square minus 1 upon 2 q to the power 6 whole square is equals to a square, that is 1 upon 5 p square plus 2 a b, then minus 2ab and plus b square 1 upon 2 q to the power 6 whole square. Now 1 upon 5, 1 upon 25, p to the power 2, 2 to the 4, p to the power 4. Now here what we get? Here we have the power 3. So here we get 6. 3 2s are 6. Now 2 cancel out. P square Q square 3. P cube Q square by 2. And here we get 1 upon 4 Q to the power 12. This is question number 5. Simplify. This is the second part. X plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. We have to simplify this. So first we expand it. X plus 1 whole square means a plus b whole square, right? So here we use we are going to use directly identity. Which identity we are going to use here? A plus b whole square. So we are going to use it directly. We are not writing here that using identity or like that. So here a square, here a is x and b is 1, right? So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then minus, here we can use the identity a minus b whole square. So a is x and b is 1. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now x square plus 2x, 1 square is 1, then minus x square minus 2x plus 1. Now we remove this bracket. So when we remove this bracket, here all the signs get changed. So here we get minus x square, here we get plus 2x, and here we get minus 1, as you have studied in algebra. Now plus x square minus x square cancel out. Now we collect the like terms together. Plus 1 and minus 1 cancel out. So here we get the answer 4x. Now look at this one. Here we have a square plus b square to the power 2 minus 2a square b square. So here again we use the identity a plus b whole square, and here in place of a we have a square and in place of b we have b square. So a square means a to the power 2 to the power 2, because a is a square, right? Then minus 2ab, a is a square and b is b square. Then plus b square means b square to the power 2 minus 2a square b square. Now here we get a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square, and here we get b to the power 4 minus plus, because this is a plus b whole square, 2a square b square. Now plus 2a square b square cancel out. Here you get a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. Clear?